National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, west central Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin until 2:45 p.m. At 2:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Sun Prairie and moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Columbus, Fall River, East Bristol, Otsego, Doylestown, and Danville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.